Right. What do you call it, Tommy?
Corner chicken.
Corner chicken.
Yes.
Corner chicken. Right. This is the salt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give it a good shake. So we've got oil, salt, chicken.
Yeah.
Waiting for the cola. So what, do you cook the chicken first and then add the cola?
No.
No?
Yeah. And add the
Soya.
yeah.
Soya sauce. Good dousing. Here we go. Let's go, let's stay it open.
We'll have to get some minutes.
Oh no, okay.
Now on those, sticking with the others, we're heading to Africa.
Right.
Turning around the equator, pointing to Congo, floating into the sea, but they're not connected.
Right on the equator, at 0 degrees, according to Pergament, just off the coast of West Africa, we're about to land on the beach, on the bar, and begin our journey, following the equator, across Africa.
Beautiful.
And mix the water out.
Pardon?
Mix the water out.
Oh, is there water in there, is there? I want to make sure there's as much cola as possible. Undiluted cola. Sweet. I've never seen it done before. Never seen it done. I know I've heard stories about Tommy enjoying it.
Correct.
Right, the cola's going in now. Good healthy portion of cola.
It's a journey of nearly 25,000 miles through a unique region of the planet, from countries suffering from war, poverty, disease and corruption. I began my journey in Africa.
It's very nice.
Across the war zones and came face to face with the
I use a little part to